This Align Right Realty International property video is presented by Sienna 20 Calvert, 4915 Sienna Isles Avenue, Grenada. Floorplan 3 beds, 3 baths, den/office, Lakeview guard gated 55+ community. Welcome to active living in Valencia del Sol, a guard gated 55+ community offering resort-style amenities and vibrant social living. This beautifully maintained Grenada floor plan by GL Homes features 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a versatile den/office. Inside, enjoy an open concept layout filled with natural light through hurricane impact windows and doors. Ceramic tile flooring, crown molding, and a chef's kitchen with a gas range, pantry, granite counters, and 4-seat bar top make entertaining easy. The spacious primary suite offers a walk-in closet and a spa-like bath with split vanities, a water closet, and a linen cabinet. 2 guest bedrooms and 2 additional full baths give plenty of room for visitors or hobbies. Step outside to the covered, screened lanai with peaceful lake views, perfect for coffee or winding down. Enjoy access to a 25,000 square feet clubhouse, resort pool, tennis and pickleball courts, fitness center, bistro, and a long list of clubs and social events, from food trucks and poolside concerts to poker nights, culture groups, and dog meetups.